Today's topic of the SAT grammar is subject pronoun agreement. In subject pronoun agreement, these are the two common errors that comes into the pronoun portions of the SAT verbal part. The first one is pronoun in antecedent, whereas we get confusion related to which antecedent is to be used for the given pronoun. For example, in this sentence, running out the door to meet Jimmy, Julie almost forgot to grab his bag. Now, how do we know that it is his bag and not her bag? It's not Julie's bag. Because over here we know that bag, after the noun bag, we do have which is a relative pronoun, which gives the information of the noun written just before it. So we know now that which he had left at her house the night before. That means this bag belongs to he, which is Jimmy. So that is how we would always be. We have to just, there are two things that we have to keep in mind. That first, always read the complete sentence. After that, focus on the relative pronoun because it always replaces the noun written just before it. And this is how we get to know if it is the plural or singular or male or female. The second very common error and a bit difficult as well in the pronoun section is unclear antecedent. So we always have to keep in mind that the definition of the pronoun says that pronoun is the word that replaces the noun. So for example, in these sentences, which is very commonly used in the spoken English, I explore underwater caves often. It is fun. So as we speak, it sounds fine that you have you explore the underwater caves and it was fun. But when we are writing about it, we get to know that when they are using it is a pronoun. It has to have a noun for it. But we do not have a noun for it. Caves is a plural subject or a plural noun. Explore is a verb and I is a pronoun itself. So what does it is used for? That is what the mistake was in this sentence, and we have to correct it by writing, I love exploring underwater caves, because exploring now become the gerund, which is a noun, and we are replacing it with it, because explore, the verb cannot be used as the pronoun, and caves was plural, and that can also not be the fun. Fun needs to be an activity's name. So over here we have learned that exploring, which was the activity name, it was fun. In this unclear antecedent, it is like highly mistaken questions by the student, because generally they write the sentences which are very much fine and which are very much common in the spoken English. But we have to keep in mind when we are doing all these questions that we have to focus on the grammatical rules, which says that pronoun can only replace the noun. Thank you so much.